Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Thursday, December 29, 2022 on our channel. ROCA Project Launch in Cameroon. CLIM'ECO Workshop in Guadeloupe with Skipper Victor Jost. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. ROCA Project Launch in Cameroon. ROCA promotes green cooling in Cameroon, Burkina Faso, Mali and Senegal. Its official launch in Cameroon took place in September, with a speech by the Minister for the Environment and a workshop with relevant stakeholders. On Friday, September 30, 2022, the Cameroonian Minister of the Environment, Nature Conservation and Sustainable Development officially launched the project in Quad, Refrigeration respectueux de la zone du climat en Afrique de l'Ouest et centrale in Quad, climate and ozone-friendly cooling in West and Central Africa, ROCA. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. CLIM'ECO Workshop in Guadeloupe with Skipper Victor Jost. CLIM'ECO Ambassador and Route du Rhum Skipper Victor Jost arrived in Guadeloupe on Monday 28 November at 6 p.m., in 30th position in the Class 40 category. The also a CLIM'ECO ambassador, and a delegation from Reunion Island were happily waiting for him on arrival. The next day, a CLIM'ECO workshop was organized by the 6th Guadeloupean Refrigeration Workers Union and Gasdom Guadeloupe, in which Victor testified about his first incredible solo crossing of the Atlantic. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.